Let me show you how to create such product manipulation using Perfume spray in Photoshop. Create new document of 1080 by 1080 pixels. From adjustment layer select gradient. Follow the process. Copy these hex color codes. Keep style to radial and scale to 120%. Press Ctrl+J to make a gradient layer copy. Right-click and convert it into Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click and select Perspective. Stretch it till 8 degrees. Again right-click and select Distort. Stretch it downwards to create a base. Create the background as shown on screen. Now select Ellipse tool. Left-click and enter the ellipse size. Place it accordingly. Hold Alt key and make a copy of ellipse. Change fill color to white from Properties. Select bottom ellipse. Hold Alt key and down arrow key on keyboard and make 77 copies of ellipse. Select 77th copy. Then scroll down, hold Shift key and select ellipse first layer. Right-click and convert it into Smart Object. From Layer Style add Gradient Overlay. Follow these color codes. Copy these settings. Then select between ellipse. Again from Layer Style add Gradient Overlay. Copy these color codes. Adjust the gradient overlay. Copy these settings. Follow the process to create Podium. Select black ellipse and place it behind the podium. Place it accordingly to create a shadow effect. From filter, add Gaussian blur. Select base layer. Then go to layer style and add drop shadow. Pause and copy these settings. Select top layer. Go to File, select Place Embedded. Place perfume spray product. Place it accordingly. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Drag the layer below. Press Ctrl+T, right-click and select Flip vertically. Place it accordingly. Add layer mask. Press Ctrl+I to inverse. Select brush tool. Make sure foreground color is white. Set and start brushing to create reflection effect. Add new layer. Select brush tool. Follow the process. Create a shadow effect. From filter, add Gaussian blur. Now select product layer. From adjustment layer, select exposure. Follow the setup. Press Ctrl+I to inverse selection. Then select brush tool. Make sure that foreground color is white. Start brushing from edges to create a shine effect. From File select Place Embedded to add Shine image. Place it accordingly. From Blend Mode select Color Dodge. Add Layer Mask. Select Brush tool, keep foreground color to black and start brushing to remove extra shine or fog effect. Press Ctrl-Alt+Shift key to create merged layer. Then from Filter select Camera Raw Filter. Follow the settings or you can try your own. That's it for today. If you like this product manipulation, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other product manipulation tutorials. Thank you.